When you lay the patient flat, whether you sit them up and lay them back, when you roll them to the side, doesn't matter. Whether you're right or left-handed, pick me up.
Right. So what you do is the expert guide
I can feel this adjust right through the device. Finger slide in, thumb sticks out. This is the worst table you'd want to adjust on too, because it's like a marshmallow. It does fit easily.
How'd that feel?
Pretty good.
You tell me.
Yeah, it's now taught at all the Palmer colleges. It's taught at Parker College.
It's I'll tell you this, the big difference is you don't feel like you have to jump on somebody.
Again, that's because unlike the human hand, this frame doesn't give. So the stand can't withstand the pressure of the spine, can't withstand the pressure of the core of the anteater. And the nice thing is, there you go. It's high-grade polished stainless steel, TIG welded, which is a more expensive, more difficult weld to perform. It's very strong. We drove a full-size crew cab Toyota Tundra over one of those, did not break. It's still in use today. So unless the doctor loses it, it's a one-time purchase.